Kamusta? How was the fashion
Okay
show?
naman, nakakatuwa kasi, I felt like I was gonna get married. So that's a really special feeling for all the girls out there. And this one's different for me. I'm wearing a wedding gown by Nat Manilag. So it was more of very smooth, very sensual, very sweet. So it was fun.
Parang maraming nagtaka, no? Parang maraming nagulat.
Oo.
Mag-preparation na raw ba to for the wedding itself?
Ay nako, matagal pa. Matagal pa po.
Pero ano bang rin wedding mo kung sakali?
Dream wedding. Gusto ko po kasi either beach or sa cliff, sa mountain, tas sunrise. Sa nature.
Napapag-usapan niyo na rin ba ni Robby? Or parang biro? Parang gano'n?
Siyempre, may napag-usapan na rin kasi I think any serious relationship naman, pinag-uusapan yung mga ganong detalye.
Ano yung mga detalye na pag-usapan niyo?
Yun nga po, ayoko po sa simbahan kung kaya. Kasi mas gusto ko nature. Nararamdaman ko kasi yung Diyos sa nature.